Hey, Tooth and Honey. Quick question. Are people finding your product on Amazon and actually buying it, or are they leaving and buying from someone else? I'm Zanny. I'm a business development representative from Amazon Guy, and I'm looking at your listing right now and I noticed a few small things that could be stopping you from getting more sales. Well, I'm here for a solution. So, this is a tool that we use to look for keywords. We usually like to see a 1 to 2 ratio of paid to organic keywords, and we call that the 1 to 2 golden keyword ratio. And as I'm seeing here from your keyword distribution, you're kind of leaning low on organic keywords. So this means you're probably overspending on PPC and need to focus more on adding keywords to your listing so your products can index for additional organic search terms. So your organic keywords can be improved. If you check this out right here, this is the word cloud. So these are the most important keywords for your listing. There are thousands of additional keywords you can index for, and organic keywords help you get seen on Amazon without paying for ads. Moving down here are your keyword phrases, and I just arranged them from being the highly searched to the lowest. So you're going to notice for this keyword, let's see. Okay, dog clothes. We're ranking organically for it, but we're not really running any ads. So ranking in the double or triple digits organically means your product is very deep in search results, so customers might never see it. And by bidding on this relevant keyword, you can increase your visibility and even improve your organic ranking over time. Now, also for this keyword, let's see. Okay, just for an example, dog sweater. We're not really ranking for anything, and this is a huge missed opportunity. Just imagine how much sales could grow if customers could actually find your product using this term. Now, let's take a look at what shows up in the search result. And just to give you an idea of how big your category is, just looking at the top 50 listings for a single keyword, you're already seeing around $1 million dollars in monthly revenue. So this tells me there's still a lot of market share we can tap into here. What we do is we help you capture more of that through SEO by improving your rankings, increasing your click through rate, and boosting your conversion rate. That way, you're not just getting traffic, you're actually turning it into revenue. Now, let's take a look at one of your competitions. So, we're not here to directly compare these two products, but to see what strategies we can learn and apply. So right now they're ranking for a lot more keywords than you, and this is a pretty big reason why they're seeing higher sales. More keywords means more exposure, and more exposure leads to higher sales. So for the past 30 days, let me just reload this real quick. Okay, so they have sold 6,000 units for the past 30 days, and we only sold 79. So that is a big gap considering you guys are on the same category. But we can help you close that gap with a keyword gap analysis. Basically, we find the high volume keywords the competitors are using and add them to your listings. When we do this, we usually look at least 10 competitors, then focus on the keywords most of them rank for in the top 10 with the highest impressions. Doing this gets your product indexed for more searches and in front of more potential customers. So, going back to your homepage, here's some places we can put some keywords in. On the title, we can put up to 200 characters full with SEO. And on this area, we can improve by fleshing out more keywords and maximizing the character count, which is 250 to 500 characters. Now, here on our image stack, we got a lot of images and at least one product video, so good job on this one. And we like to joke, but it's true that photos are for humans and the text is for robots. So, using this framework will completely change how you build your listing. And speaking of images, let's see. Okay, we got a brand story right here and an A plus content. So this is really great because adding A plus content is one of the easiest ways to grow your sales quickly. Okay, so the only thing we're missing is a product grid, and I'm going to show you one. So this is Age of Sage, and this is our standard of a product listing. Moving down here is your product grid. So if your A plus content doesn't have one, you're missing out on cross-selling opportunities. A product grid lets you showcase other items in your catalog, which can increase your average order value by encouraging customers to buy more products at once. So here I'm Amazon Guy. We help Amazon brands go fast and profitably. Right now, we manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly ad spend, generating over $1.2 billion in revenue. So if you're losing rank over spending on ads or just not scaling the way you should, We fix that with data driven strategies across PPC, SEO, and your entire catalog. So if you found this video helpful, please click the link below this video to speak directly with an Amazon expert to grow your sales on Amazon.